The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. For all citizens living in a 100-mile radius of Los Angeles, take shelter immediately. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has detected a strange object falling down near the Earth. It is predicted that it will land near the city of Los Angeles in about 30 minutes. Make sure you take shelter immediately, since it isn't known if the object is something like an asteroid, or if it has carried something that could carry dangerous objects such as explosives.
The following message is being transmitted by the request of the United States government. The strange object has landed around 20 miles away from Los Angeles. There has been no significant damage caused by the crash. The object has been identified as a strange massive space station. It was impossible to check all of it, as much of the station was on fire, and the roof had completely collapsed. We managed to find some rooms that were labeled medbay, cafeteria, weapons, storage, and electrical. One thing to note, however, was that there were what appeared to be bodies in the rooms of the huge space station. However, the shapes of these bodies were very strange. They were not human-shaped bodies. They were more in a round rectangle shape. And their bodies were all in astronaut suits. The astronaut suits were also strange, as they were all in different colors, such as red, blue, green, pink, orange, yellow, black, white, purple, brown, cyan, lime, reddish purple, light pink, whitish yellow, gray, brownish white, and reddish white. If anyone has any information on what these dead creatures are, please contact authorities immediately. The following message is being transmitted by the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Several people have been found dead in their homes. The top half of their bodies have been cut open, with only their skeletons remaining on the top part of their bodies. It is currently unknown who is responsible for this, but some have reported witnessing strange creatures wearing what appeared to be astronaut suits with the same colors as the suits in the space station that crashed, now known as the Shield, running out of the house of some of these victims. We don't know if these are the same creatures as the dead bodies in the Shield, but the colors and shape of their suits are the same. But we just can't get a good look at them. They end up disappearing. Just lock all your doors, cover all your windows from the inside, and try not to make too much noise.